Okay, guys, just before we go back to our diagram, I wanted us to indicate the fact that what we developed here is our genotype, ne? And there. So you know that immediately you go to your diagram, you already have your phenotype, which is brown bull. This is phenotype. Remember, phenotype, guys, has to do with the external appearance of the organism. So they are telling us that this bull looks brown, right? So that phenotype has to do with how does the organism look externally. What do we see when we look at the organism? So it looks brown, right? And a homozygous white cow. So this is also the phenotype of the cow. So we have a brown on our phenotype. So you go back to our diagram, we write P1, which represents the parents, and then phenotype, and then we have a brown bull, remember, and a white cow. This is also the other phenotype of the cow. So you write brown bull that crosses with a white cow. And then for genotype, again, as I told you, that what we were developing here were our genotype. So you just take that as it is. For the brown bull, we know that it's double capital letter B, and for a white cow is double small letter b, right? And then you go to the process which we call meiosis. Right, meiosis, remember, is a division of cells, guys. So this is the only thing that happens here. The cells divide. Sorry, guys. Right, the cells divide. So that's the only thing that you do in the stage of meiosis to indicate that the cells are undergoing division. And then we go to the next, which is gametes. Remember, what we get from meiosis, one of the most important functions of meiosis is to produce gametes, which are sex cells, right? So as the cells divide, we get gametes. So we get B, remember, and then we get another B here. Then here, the cells divide, we get a small letter b and a small letter b. The most important thing, guys, please make sure that as you are done dividing the cells, you circle them to show that these are cells, ne? You don't just write B and then you're done. You circle them, you get marks for these things. Sharp. And then now that we have our gametes, we have to undergo a process called fertilization. So now they have to fertilize, right? So there are two methods for fertilization. We have the method of using blocks, and we have the method of connecting, right? You guys know it. So I think we should go for the simpler one first, which is the one where we're using blocks, ne?